In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize blocks in Squarespace. Whether you're just starting out or looking to fine-tune your website's layout, understanding how to adjust the size of your blocks can make a significant difference in the overall appearance of your site. First, let's make sure you're logged into your Squarespace account. Once you're logged in, you'll be on your home page. Now, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen where you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a list of the websites you manage. From here, select the particular site you want to work on. If you have multiple websites, ensure you're choosing the correct one to avoid any unnecessary changes on a different site. With your website selected, the next step is to click the Edit button. This will take you into the editing mode where you can make various changes to your site. Now focus on the block that you specifically want to resize. Click on that block, and when you do, you'll notice that you have the option to adjust its size by dragging the handles on the edges. This is a simple and intuitive process that allows you to easily customize the dimensions to your liking. If the block you're working with happens to be an image block, there are a few more options to consider. Image blocks are unique in that you can also control how the image within the block is cropped. To do this, double-click on the image block. This action will bring up additional settings for that specific image. Within the image settings, click on Design. Here, you'll be presented with several options regarding how the image is displayed. You can choose from different settings like Fit, Fill, and Shape. These options determine the image's aspect ratio and how much of the image is visible within the block. Feel free to experiment with these settings to see which one best suits the design of your web page. This is a great way to ensure your images are displayed exactly how you want them, aligning perfectly with the aesthetic you're going for. By following these steps, you should now have a resized block that fits perfectly with the rest of your website's design. Remember, resizing blocks isn't just about aesthetics. It's also about creating a user-friendly experience for your visitors. So take your time to adjust and preview your changes until you are satisfied with how everything looks. That's it for today's tutorial on resizing blocks in Squarespace. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to help improve your Squarespace site. Thank you for watching, and as always, happy designing.